Hey everybody, this is Bradley with 4 by Grace Bee Farm. We're not here today. We have a swarm trap here, and we called it a couple, maybe 2 weeks ago. We want to thank Adam and Morgan Brown for letting us put a swarm trap up on their property. We did catch some bees in it. I don't know how big it is, but we're going to find out today. Today's an overcast day. It's not very good to do this, but this is kind of what we got to work with. I work a full-time job still. So hopefully things will go good, but let's get into it and see what we've got here. Got plenty of smoke today. So you can probably see over here on the other side, I have a hive that's ready to go. It's our standard hive. We're going to take some frames out of it. There should be one frame of foundation already in here that we use as a bait for the bees. Let's see what the rest of it. We're going to try this, and I hope that the bees cooperate with us today. I'm trying to give you a new home, girl. Good looking swarm here. It's about a full frame. Let's see what we've got done here. First of all, we're going to look for the queen as we go through. They've already got started on this, so I've got some nectar backfilled into it. I can see that. It's looking good. This in the box. Wow, these are some workers. They have already filled this up with honey and nectar. You can see that. It's looking good. We'll look for the queen here. Very, very good looking swarm. They are off to a good start. They're going to love their new box. Okay. And this is comb that they have made. Okay, so we got some really good larvae in there. The queen's laying good. The thing looks great. There's a good chance that the queen's probably going to be on this frame or the next frame. She's probably going to be pretty small. She hasn't been, if she swarmed, it's probably the new one that swarmed with it. If we find her, we won't worry about marking her today. Right, we'll keep looking. This is looking great. So here's some more comb that they themselves have built. With this kind of cone, you got to be really careful because there's no, it's very floppy. Let's see here. So, right there's our queen. Let's see if everybody can see that. She is right there. Very good looking queen. Looks like she's doing great. So we'll put her in the box. There's extra frame. Let's take all these out. so here's the fun part. Here's where all the bees get very excited. There is a lot of bees left in this box here. So let's hope that all goes well. I'm going to do some tape here from where we had it taped up with the swarm trap. So here we go. Right. There's smoke going. These guys back down in here. Some comb in. Got some natural wax for them to kind of build up pretty quickly on. We'll get this top on here in a second, and we should see the bees start going in to this entrance here. Like I said, not the best days to be doing this, but it works. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. One more. That's 10. All right. We're going to bring this box over. That's where the swarm trap was. We're going to put a lid on. And we're done. So if you can see, they are, I can't really see the camera well, but they are going back in there. We're going to leave that box right there for right now. They'll find their way back in. Take this comb with us. Let's do a very, very quick inspection. Right here, we are on a blackberry farm. So let's take a quick look and see how our honey flow is coming. This hive's a little bit more aggressive, but they've shown to be very good producing honey. We'll be in here a second. Open up. A lot of bees at the top. That's a good sign. Tool here. Right, lots and lots and lots of bees. That's great. We'll be adding seconds to these in the next week or so, and that's not because it's full, that's simply so we can keep them moving upwards. Let's see what we've got here. Nice. So they're filling these combs out very well. Beginning to get heavy. They've got nectar in them. So hopefully in the next week or two, we'll see them begin to cap those off. These are looking fantastic. So these are definitely ready for their second box. This goes all the way back. Wow, they're even building way out here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 frames that are almost built up in honey or wax foundation. So they're doing great. We'll put this board back on, let them kind of do their thing. Smoke. Right. Now tomorrow I'm going to come through, double check the brood just to make sure that we're not getting too crowded. Just some swarm control assessment and see how things are going. Hoping this one's looking just as good. It currently is the 5th of May, so things are going great. We have a pretty good honey flow. These girls look like they're pretty busy as well. they'll not be happy today with everything that's going on. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 frames of drone comb. So that's good. That'll work. Another couple weeks, these girls will be giving us some honey. All right, everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any questions, just shoot me a comment. Hopefully we'll have honey in about 4 to 5 weeks, maybe sooner, according to how the honey flow goes. But you can look us up on Facebook at 4 Grace Apiary, and we're looking forward to seeing you guys in the future. Thanks. Hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you later.